Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Robinhood token. Ticker symbol is HOOD. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain. This pair for this token was actually just created on Raydium 1 day, 14 hours ago. Very brand new token here. They're trending number 4 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. And they have a giant market cap, giant 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on the Robinhood token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan. You can find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye. Those are great places to see the price in the chart. If you go over to their SolScan, you're going to find all sorts of links to charts, Bubble Maps link, GN link, Photon, and a rug check. And we're going to have a look at the rug check here in a second. So name of the token is Robinhood, all one word, and ticker symbol is HOOD. There's 6 decimal places on this token. Right now they have 65,627 holders. Crazy amount of holders. They have a current supply of 44,999,497,950 tokens. And I'm not sure if this token is actually listed. It doesn't look like it's listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap yet. You can find it on Gecko Terminal. Now their Telegram, if you want to follow the Telegram, is at Robinhood_on_Sol. 7,397 members. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new partnerships, token listing announcements, updates, memes, all that fun stuff. And yeah, so if we go over to the rug check here, let's check that out right now. So it says, first of all, risk analysis is good. Now, they have different pools on different decentralized exchanges, and it says the total amount of tokens, the LP liquidity pool that is locked is 61.12%. And I'm assuming, yeah, so the Raydium pool is locked. 99.52% of the Raydium pool is locked, and that is the biggest pool, with almost $2 million in liquidity. They have $1,955,000 in liquidity in Raydium, and 99.52% of that is locked. There's another Raydium pool of $118,000, 48% of that is locked. But then there's a whole bunch of other Meteora pools. Meteora is another DEX. And just be aware that there's one with $644,000, one with $158,000, one with $123,000, etc. It goes on, and none of those appear to be locked. Any amount is locked or burned, so just be aware of that. Now, there's no giant whales, so that's great to see. Now, the top 5 holders only have 4.77% of the tokens, and the top holder is the Raydium pool, which has 0.99% of the tokens. And then every other holder is less than that, so that's great to see that. Now, besides that, this token here, it looks like their Twitter account is suspended. And if I had to take a guess, is because this is not legitimately from Robinhood, like the trading app. Now, I guess the Canadian version of Robinhood is Wealthsimple Trade. So if you're from Canada, just picture Wealthsimple Trade, but for the States. And then, yeah, so, I mean, if you haven't seen that documentary either on Netflix about Robinhood and GameStop and what is it, AMC or whatever. So watch the GameStop documentary to learn more about Robinhood as well. But anyways, it says, Robinhood played us. Time to take the bet and flip their market cap. We're making it out with the Hood token on this one. Now they're saying here on Dex Screener, whoever submitted this to Dex Screener, the dev or whoever, is saying that they want to get their market cap bigger than Robinhood's market cap, which I mean, of course, is possible. Now, Robinhood, I believe, actually does have a stock that you could purchase on the stock market exchange there. And now we got this super huge Robinhood crypto token that has a market cap of $91.7 million right now. And that's also their fully diluted valuation. They're up today 287%. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $104 million. Lots of action, 264,660 transactions just today. And token price 0.0019 USD. They have been promoting themselves also on Dex Screener, and it's been working because they're trending number 4 right now. On their webpage, they do have a how to buy section and a buy now button, but basically if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Hood token using the contract address you could find on their webpage, hoodsolana.com. Now, this token is also trending number 1 right now on Dex Tools. I just checked on there, and they are in the number 1 spot there. And so their webpage here, it says, remember when retail investors turn the tables on Wall Street? We do too. This project is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a movement inspired by Robinhood and the resilience of everyday people. Our mission is to empower a decentralized future where everyone has a shot at financial independence, irrespective of their livelihood and their influence. The movement. It's not just about the token, it's about sending a message. The Robinhood movement proves that when individuals unite, they can challenge even the most entrenched systems. So basically, the big fiasco in that documentary is everybody started buying meme stocks like GameStop to try to stick it to these hedge fund investors that were shorting stocks and earning billions of dollars. And then they're all investing in GameStop on Robinhood, and then Robinhood, out of nowhere, just stopped trading for certain stocks like the GameStop stock, and then people started selling off the tokens, and some people made a lot of money, and some people lost a lot of money. So a big documentary about it. You can watch it on Netflix. But yeah, go check this token out. Trending number 1 on Dex Tools and trending number 4 on Dex Screener right now. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.